Uh, Welcome back to our T2SMC Trader. How are you all? I believe that everyone is cool. So I thought that before starting the stream, I will get 50 likes. Unfortunately, it's 30 likes. So just 20 likes left. I have a very weak family, but very soon I will get the, strongest family, I believe so. Okay. Now, before starting today's stream, I would love to say that today is Friday, the hardest day for me to trade. Okay. It's the hardest day. I really don't have any word to say about today. It's called the mental preservation day. Make sure that you are very careful about today. So whatever earnings you got from your weekly range, you can easily lost all of your winning by Friday's price action. So make sure that you know when you should stop. If you get wrong, sometimes I know, then just stop over there. I don't know where you should stop, but make sure that you know your limit. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all of you. How are you all? I can see 64 people are watching. How are you all? 43 likes. 77 people. No 6 accent, no like. Someone time me out. I'm getting carried away. Okay, I don't know what happened. By the way, how are you guys? Can you hear me? The voice is okay. Everything is okay. Just let me know that. I told this thing beforehand so that when the later naysayers will come, the critics will come. You guys, please defend me, okay? Hello, hey brother, hey Jacob. Good morning, brother. Good afternoon. All good. Today is a new day. Yep, today is a new day. Absolute brother. How many need you want? What did you say? Okay, so Outlander is over here, the angry bird. Uh, I was thinking to tell something actually before starting my stream. What was that? Okay, we have the members only stream today, which will be about the order block. Over there, I will explain the order block. So it's not kind of framing a setup or something like not like that. Okay, it's gonna be little deeper price action. Trust me, it's not selling. I'm not selling anything to all of you guys here. The members, I would love to appreciate them. That's why I'm just doing one stream in 1 week. Okay, just 1 p.m. session. Over there, I just discuss little price action in a deeper way, but you don't need that for being profitable. Okay, make sure that you are not thinking this guy has started to sell something. No, I'm not doing that. Either way, my membership is too cheap. Okay, it's near about $3 maybe. The lowest one is kind of $3 per month. So it's really too cheap. I am just appreciating them who are appreciating me. So today is around 1:30 p.m. I will do the members only live. If you are not trading your real money, then try to join me. Okay, and if you don't want to join, no problem. The video will be there. I mean, the stream will be there. So later you will be able to watch that. Okay, so you don't need to join that live. But if you join over there, it will be helpful for both of us because we will do some Q&A. That means question and answer things as well. So that's all okay. So I guess everything is okay and you can hear me perfectly. Make sure that you have pushed the like button. If any of you are new over here, don't forget to subscribe because this is the greatest opportunity to learn ICT price action. I promise you, brother. This is dollar index daily chart. So far, you can see market is bearish. The dollar index is bearish for it's going for this sell side liquidity. It seems like it's going for sell side liquidity. Now, yesterday, that is the weekly order block. Okay, that order block from weekly chart. It tapped to this weekly order block and closed around that area. Look over there, how beautifully it closed over there. Okay, so when it closed over there, simply I thought that today market will go higher. Simply I thought like that way, but so far it's bearish. I mean, it's falling and it seems like that so obvious market is going for that sell side liquidity. It's like looks like that way, that market is going for this sell side liquidity. There is nothing wrong if it go over there. In that type of situation, Nasdaq should go little higher. Okay, Nasdaq should expand higher. That is my expectation if it keep going lower toward that sell side liquidity. But what else can happen? Around 10 a.m. we have another news. So around that time, market can take this sell side liquidity, then it can start to reverse again. Okay, it is also possible. So if it happens, then yeah, I will be bearish again for Nasdaq. we will see that in time. As this is Friday, it's really difficult to trade, and we will see. Okay, now I would love to go to 4-hour chart. Why 4-hour chart, brother? You told that you are not trading through 4-hour chart. Then why you are coming 4-hour chart? Now the guys with me for so long, they knows that I love 4-hour chart for dollar index, because in my dollar index chart, I don't go below 15-minute chart. So 15-minute chart is my lowest time frame for dollar index. So that's why I can simply use this 4-hour chart. I'm not against 4-hour chart, but if you would love to execute your trade from 1-minute chart, then you are a fool. Okay, you are just a fool if you use 4-hour chart as your higher time frame. You are just a fool. Don't do that. But if you would love to execute your trade from 5-minute chart, then 4-hour is your appropriate time frame. If you want to execute your trade from 5-minute chart, and if you use 15-minute chart as your higher time frame, then you are doing wrong. So for 5-minute execution, 4-hour chart is the bellwether. For 1-minute execution, then 15-minute or hourly chart is your bellwether. In my opinion, 15-minute chart is the best. But if that is messy, then hourly chart is okay. But if you use 4-hour chart for 1-minute execution, rest in peace, brother. Trust me, rest in peace. That means you are actually trying to force the market to give you the setup. You will never get the consistency from 4-hour to 1-minute. Never ever. I'm not telling this. This is not my word. This is the word from ICT. I have already shown that to you guys to my Twitter and yesterday's live. So from 4-hour chart as well, you can see market is actually trading this 4-hour bullish parabolic around that area. This one market has taken this low perfectly. It has taken that low. It's trading this bullish parabolic from 4-hour chart. Now I will see if it can reverse from there or not. I mean, in the same time, this is the week. It can actually respect from the constant crossment. That is, though it went little lower, but if it close at the level of the constant crossment of that week here or above that 50%, then it's a bullish sign. In that type of situation, NASDAQ has more probability to fall. So I mean, so far it seems like market is going to take that silly. It seems like that. Okay, that is obvious. That is more confident thinking. Okay, but it can happen. That means market can actually reverse from that 50% of that week. It can do that. Now, around this area, I would love to go hourly chart now. From hourly chart, I mean, actually nothing to say except the same thing I was talking about in 4-hour chart. So to be honest, it's same thing. And 15-minute chart, same thing. Like market is just falling. So far, I can see this week from 15-minute chart. I would love to mark the 50% of that week. So over here, this is the 50% of that week. So if market failed to break that 50% from 15-minute chart, that was the week 50% from 4-hour chart. This is the week from 15-minute chart. So if it can support that 50%, that means body failed to close below this one, then it can reverse. It can reverse. I have this relatively equal highs over there. Over there, I have this relatively equal highs. Then at the top, I have more relatively equal highs over there. A lot of equal highs I have above the market, but for that it has to respect the 50% of that 15-minute and also the 4-hour 50%. If it keep falling, which is look like obvious to me, then yeah, market can go for this sell side liquidity. That is obvious to me, but I am just telling you all the probabilities. It can also happen that market can reverse from there. Now I would love to go to NASDAQ. Here, this is my weekly chart. Now this is my 2.5 minus 2.5 standard deviation. Okay, I didn't mark it right now. I have marked it like 3 months ago. Near about 3 months ago, I marked that minus 2.5 standard deviation and told that even if I would love to see a big fall, maybe market will fall and it will take this sell side liquidity. Maybe it will reach over there. Then it has to reach until that line. After that, I will start to think that maybe market will fall now. If it keep going through that minus 2.5, then I will look at minus 3 standard deviation and the 50% of minus 2.5 and minus 3 standard deviation. So far, all you can see that market reached until this minus 2.5 standard deviation. Then look at the reaction. Here, this is the order block from weekly chart. I'm thinking that it will tap this order block before going higher again. Even if it wants to go higher, it should reach until this order block from weekly chart. So from weekly chart, that is my expectation that market should tap over here, this weekly order block. Then either way it will violate this order block or it will keep going higher. Now over here, if you see market went higher, this is the down close candle. It's respected, it didn't break. Okay, it respected, tap to this order block, I mean down close candle, market went higher. This is that same opposite color candle. If it respected, then market can keep going higher. If it is violated, then market can keep falling until this what was I mean this down close candle can reach until that down close candle, or here I have some fair value gap around that area. We will see that later. But when I'm expecting that market is reaching for this order block, that doesn't mean it has to fall on that order block by today. No, it can fall over there tomorrow as well, I mean the next week as well. Okay, it doesn't need to fall over here. I am just giving you an overall idea from very high time frame. So it is a very high time frame from weekly chart. So you should think what the candle is reaching for. So I am thinking that market is reaching for this order block high, the open, and the min threshold, the three level. Okay, it can reach any of this level, but it doesn't need to fall right now today. I would love to go to daily chart now. So from daily chart, all you can see is from daily chart. Okay, this this guy went higher, then fall, tap to this fair value gap from daily chart. Okay, this is the entry fair value gap, this is the last fair value gap, this is the entry fair value gap. Price tap to this entry fair value gap, consecutive order block. To that consecutive order block, this is the high of that consecutive order block. I'm going to mark it from daily chart. Okay, this is the order block from weekly chart, this is the consecutive order block from daily chart. So I would love to mark the high of this consecutive order block over there. Market tapped to this consecutive order block high, then it is reacting. At the same time, what do you see? To that specific leg, this is your entry fair value gap over here. Look at this fair value gap. This is your entry fair value gap from daily chart. This is the last fair value gap. Price reached until this entry fair value gap. Now it is going higher. I'm seeing this is just a reaction. I'm not thinking that market is going higher again. I'm expecting market will fall at least until this last fair value gap from that daily chart. I'm expecting like that. But is it going to happen today? I don't know. It can happen next week. But this week, this candle can expand little higher to make a perfect bearish fair value gap around that area. Or whole day, it can consolidate. It can do that things as well, because I have already got enough expansion by the week. So here you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it was expand higher. Then Thursday, by using CPI, it fall. How many things happened already in this market? Market has already given me the distribution. So it can easily, it can consolidate, or it can keep falling. There is nothing wrong. Or it can go little higher. As today is Friday, I will talk about this price action little more when I'll be in 15-minute chart. Okay. So from daily chart, what you can see, so far market has traded this entry fair value gap and the order block. It can give you the reaction. So this candle can be the reacted candle which is expanding little higher. So I don't want to see that market is going to close until the low of that candle, because in that type of situation there will be no bearish fair value gap. I really want some kind of fair value gap around that area, some kind of fair value gap. Okay, I would love to go hourly chart now. So here, this is my hourly chart. Now this is the weekly order block which I'm going to remove. Okay, I'm going to remove this order block. Keep that on your chart. This is the daily order block. I'm going to remove that. Keep that on your chart. I don't like lot of lines, but I will keep that in my mind. This high, that high, both of them are the order block. This one is from weekly chart, this one is from daily chart. Okay, now if you remember yesterday, what did I tell over here around that area? What did I tell? Tree, branch, tree, branch, tree, branch. Market went little lower, again tree, branch. That means bull flag went higher, bull flag went higher, bull flag went higher. It retraced little bit, again went higher, bull flag. Now I told yesterday that as I have a big news, CPI is a big news which actually give you, it's like dragon. Okay, it's gonna destroy everything. This is that type of news. So lot of retail trader, they are going to predict that this pattern is going to be repeated. It's going to be repeated. So when market started to go high, trust me, thousand million people started to take buy. Why? Because market is going to follow this pattern. Then what happened? Market went higher, boom. Remember the sell side liquidity, all the sell side liquidity until that area. I told that until this sell side liquidity I'm bearish. I am oversure that market is going to take this sell side liquidity. This one I don't know, is it going to be taken today or not, I don't know. So I will be biasless when this liquidity will be taken. So if you didn't watch yesterday's live, just watch the first part over there. I explained everything over here. Okay, now from over here, what did you learn? That means if there is an special day like CPI FOMC and you are seeing that market is doing something, some pattern that is going to be collapse, if it is the last day or last hour of that trading day, whole day you are seeing that there is some kind of pattern is repeating whole day. I mean from the London session, maybe from the New York morning session, you are seeing that market is following some pattern, and today is the Friday, this is the last hour. Trust me brother, that pattern is gonna be collapse. So this is the weekly range. I'm giving you the example from weekly range, and you will use that same concept by the daily range. Okay, so from daily chart, maybe you are that today is Friday. Okay, today is Friday, and you are seeing that market is actually making the bull plug, then going higher until the last hour. So around last hour or 250 240, around that time you saw market has made another this type of bull plug, something like that, around 250 or 240. What should it's what should it look like? That market is going higher, but what will happen? Market will go little higher, then boom, it will fall around the last hour at the last day of the week. That's why the weekly, I mean the Friday is really so difficult. It's very difficult, man. I really am afraid. I told beforehand so many times that I am only afraid of Friday. I don't care about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday because I can trade over there. But Friday, I can keep doing the wrong thing because it's really so difficult over here. I have to predict the closing of the weekly candle, which is really so difficult, man. I don't know how can I. Okay, someone has taken the membership. Shiva, hey man, thanks for that, man. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to give me the penguin. Okay. So far, you can see that this thing from I mean from hourly chart. I believe that this is clear to you. Now I'm going to 15-minute chart. In my 15-minute chart, don't get confused by so many lines over here. This line is minus 2.5 standard deviation. This is the weekly low. That means this week has started from Sunday, Sunday low, Thursday high. Okay, Sunday low, Thursday high. This is my weekly range. Most of the time in Friday, market actually reverse into the weekly range. That means I would love to see that market will reverse into, let me mark it, into this range. It will come back again inside that box. That is my expectation most of the time because of narrative. So I would love to see market will in reverse and it will stop inside that box. Over here you can see this is the entry favorable gap or the last favorable gap, whatever you say, from 15-minute chart. I mean, I guess this is the entry favorable gap. This is the hourly favorable gap, actually hourly last favorable gap, and this is the entry favorable gap from 15-minute chart below this relatively equal lows. That was that 15-minute chart entry favorable gap or the last favorable gap, whatever you say over there. Just mark it. You can see around news time market just tapped over there to the top of this 15-minute favorable gap, went higher. Previously, market has traded the 50%. Look over here. It has traded the 50%, exactly the 50%. Now it has tapped to the high of this fair value gap. It's logical that market doesn't need to fall again because it is working the 15-minute fair value gap in a perfect way. First, it has been rejected from the consonant crossband. Now it is rejecting from the high or from the top of this 15-minute fair value gap. I am simply expecting that market is going inside that range. So I'm thinking that market is going inside that range. At the same time, dollar index is going for that sell side liquidity. This guy is going inside that range. That is my expectation. But I can be wrong. Market can fall until that order block. Remember the order block from weekly chart. There is that order block around the last favorable gap from hourly chart. So it can fall as well. I don't want to see that. I would love to see market will keep going higher. Okay, that is the hindsight before the streaming. Now I would love to do some advertisement. Just I will take 2 minutes. Okay, So over here you can see Apex, which has 80% off. I would love to recommend you only 150k account, but you will get 150k, 250k, or 300k by just $40. But I recommend 150k. If you can pass that eval, then you have to pay $85 for the lifetime fee. And if you use the code, discount code, you will get both link and the code to the description. Then I will get some profit from there. I will get some partial from there. Okay. So if any of you are interested about the Apex, if you love to copy trade, then Apex is the best. Okay. So over here you can use that code for that one. At the same time, I really would love to talk about this funded futures, because comparing with other future prop firm, funded futures so far is best now because of the their newly updated information. So over here I'll just talk about this 50k account. Today someone has just got this 50k account, and he actually used the link, but he didn't use the code. Okay, so over here you can see the code is T2 wizard. You will get that code to my description. He didn't use that code. Okay, now I got my partial over there, I got my affiliation over there, but he didn't get the 5% discount. So he bought it by $80. I don't know who he is, but he bought it by $80. But if you use that code, then you are going to get that by $76. Okay, so and rest of the all, you can take a screenshot. You can actually uh, study them. If it is you are good with that, it's cheaper. Okay, all I would love to say that it's cheaper, because over here you just need to pay $80. No, $76 if you use that code. You don't need to pay anything else. My advice is to take 150k account, because it is the account which is really so good to trade. Okay, it is really so good to trade in all type of market, like volatile market. In volatile market, 50k account is really very difficult to trade. You will blow your account if you use that 50k account in volatile market. So in that type of situation, 150k is the best option. Okay, so over here you can see the drawdown, everything. Okay, comparing with other prop firm, these funded futures, the funded futures is the best option, I believe. And if you would love to use that T2 wizard code, I'll be benefited by your help. Thank you guys for understanding and for supporting me. So I am done with all of my talking. Now I will wait for 9:30 open. We have a news around 10, so make sure that you are not in rush. And yeah, that's all. Okay. No, sir, they will be gone soon. Who will be gone soon, brother? Apex is never going to go gone. Apex is really so good. I'm not telling that they are not to be gone. If you are talking about Apex, top step X, or funded futures, very soon funded future is going to be number one very soon, because of their awesome rules or everything. So this is a 9:30 candle. I would love to see how it is going to work. There is no opening gap. Okay, to be honest, there is no opening gap so far. That's why I'm not interested to mark the opening gap. Instead, I will just keep it like that way. I'm bullish. Okay, to be honest, I'm bullish until this box. Remember this box? Now I'm going to remove this box, and instead of that, I have this line. This is the weekly range. I would love to see that market will go inside that range. Now, if you ask me, I have already got my setup. Yep. Okay, it didn't make the fair value gap, so I'm unable to catch that run. If it would make a fair value gap over there, I would push my button for the buy. As it didn't make the fair value gap over there, I'm not gonna push the button, and I will wait until the 10 a.m. news. Now, why I wanted to push my button over there? Because the the news around 10, it's not like a news which is going to kill you, okay, something very volatile news. No, it's not like that. That's why I was confident to push my button, but as it didn't make the fair value gap, I am not gonna push my button. With my all expectation, all I have seen that market has taken liquidity over here. It has taken all the liquidity. It has traded this last fair value gap, brother. There is no last fair value gap, but it has traded this volume balance. As I don't have the last fair value gap, I am gonna use this volume imbalance. I can see that market has traded that on, I mean, volume imbalance. And at the same time, if you look at the 15-minute chart over here, if you look over there in the 15-minute chart, you will see that this is the bullish fair value gap. Okay, so this is the bullish fair value gap around that area to the 15-minute chart. Actually, let me mark the bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Just let me mark it. So it is reversing from that bullish fair value gap. That's why I was trying to catch that buy. As market didn't make the bullish fair value gap, I'm not gonna push my button. Remember, market never tell you lie. Market will never tell you lie. If it wanted to go higher, it would keep keep a fair value gap around there. As it didn't keep the fair value gap, I'm not gonna take the buy. Instead of that, I'm gonna wait for further price action. Okay, so I will see if market can give me anything perfect or not. If no, then I will just keep waiting. As this the preservation day, mental preservation day, I will preserve my mental. Can I trade on trading view if I have an apex rhythmic? No, you can't. I guess you can't, because you have to get the trade of it. So far I know, okay. If you take the trade of it, then you can trade through trading view. But if you take rhythmic, no, you can't. Guys, if anyone has any confusion about the prop firm, you can ask the comment box. Tamimi, Peter, they will help you, okay, because they know better than me about this prop firm. They know 1,000 times better than me, and they will be able to help you. Make sure that you have pushed the like button. I keep asking for the like button. Please push the like button. Okay, the first opportunity around 9:30, I had an opportunity to take the buy. As market didn't give me the setup, I didn't take the buy. Right now, I'm not gonna push my button anymore, because the 9:30 volatility, which is called the Judas swing as well. That Judas swing I wanted to catch before the news. As the opportunity has gone and there was no setup, I'm just not going to touch this market until it's not clean. When it will be clean, then I will try to catch that run. So far, this bullish fair value gap is holding the price. But look at here how it has been worked with that bullish fair value gap. It worked with the lower portion of this bullish fair value gap. That means it can simply break that bullish fair value gap. I mean, it can simply fall one more time, and then it can go work with the lower portion as well. Okay. At the same time, over here, I have very small last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Let me mark it here. This is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It tapped until this last fair value gap, so it's not clear price action right now. So I will see how it reacts. It has taken all the liquidity, tapped to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, went higher. My expectation is market is reaching for that line. See this line, weekly low, that is this week low. So from here to here, this is my range for today. 138 handle, that is my range. I would love to catch at least 30 handle out of 130 handle. Again, I would love to tell you guys one more time. Friday is the difficult day, most difficult day. So make sure that you are not in rush. Don't copy my trade. Don't leave the stream without giving me the likes. On my left, that is 1-minute chart, and on my right, that is 15-minute chart. You can see on the top over here, I don't know, can you see my croucher over here? See, this is 1, 1, and over here this is 15. Can you see it or not? This is 15, this is 1. So on my left that is 1 minute chart, on my right that is 15 minute chart. Let's see if we can touch 600 subscriber today or not. I just need 21 more subscriber, then I'll get 6,600 subscriber. And if I can touch, don't forget to give me the congratulations, brother. I'm doing hard work, and hard work will be paid off if I can touch that 6,600 subscriber today. So I just need 21 subscriber. Let's see if I can convince 21 new people to subscribe to my channel today or not. 50% of the 50 minute 50% can retrace. Absolutely it can do that, brother. Absolutely, there is nothing wrong if it go and fall until the 50%. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that, but obviously it is possible. I don't want to see that. Simply, I just don't want to see that. But it's possible. I would love to remove this line, that buy side, because it's more important. This is the sell side liquidity from yesterday. Remember the extreme sell side liquidity? That is that sell side liquidity, which has taken around 8:30 a.m. news. By the way, guys, have you watched the video I have uploaded around the London session? If any of you are interested about London session, that one video is more than enough for being profitable. 95% of the time, in around the London session, market will do that. So that concept you are going to learn from that video, that specific video. It's just an ATM machine. Okay, I am just telling like ICT. I have just handed over you an ATM machine. All you have to do is, don't believe me, go to your chart, backtest it, find it works 95% of the time. I'm exactly telling you 95% of the time. That means out of 100 days, it's gonna work 90 to 95 days. If it works like that way, use that on. If it doesn't work like that way, just throw it to the dustbin, block me. So make sure that you have watched that video, not the Netflix. Obviously, you have to study. That means you have to take the notes. I have told everything over there clearly. Still, if you have the doubts, ask me. But before asking me the question, make sure that you have watched that video carefully, okay? Because I talk too much, and as I talk too much, I explained everything. I give you your answer because I have already passed the road you are passing right now. So I can understand what type of question you can ask me. That's why most of the time I try to explain everything. Some of information is not important for you. Skip them. That information is important for someone very new to this concept. Some information is really important for you. Take those. Okay. But study them, please. It's a request. If you love the London session. When you will study them, make sure that you are not trying to, you know, communicate your knowledge with that knowledge. Whatever you are learning from my channel or from here, from this YouTube channel, it's absolutely different with everyone. Like the famous YouTuber, the famous YouTuber, whatever they are giving you, you are not going to match. You can't match them with my information. I am giving you some information that is real ICT concept, and you can use that information for improving your price action. And I'm not just talking, okay? I'm not a talkative guy without the proof. I'm proving it every single day in my life, every single day in my life, that it is working perfectly. Here, now I got another market structure shift, but I am unable to take that buy now. Why? Because I'm very near to the news. Okay, so the news is around 10. I'm very near to that news. If I could push my button around 9:30 on 32, 33, I would go for that trade. But right now, I'm not going to believe it. It seems like that market is going higher. I'm just unable to catch that move. So again, if it works, I don't care. I'm not gonna catch that run. I'm seeing this is the market structure shift. Maybe there will be a fair value gap. Price will tap this fair value gap. It will keep going higher. I don't care. I don't care, brother. It's in deep premium. Bullshit. It's not in deep premium. However, in my opinion, this is a perfect setup, but I am unable to catch that run. Now, you guys would love to listen that it's a perfect setup. Take the buy, but it's not that much easy. Okay, this trading is not that much easy. You have to follow the rules here. As market is very near to that 10 a.m. news, no entry is valid around this area. Now, it didn't make the bullish fair value gap. I'm not gonna catch that run as well. I mean, market didn't give me the opportunity. So whatever. Around 9:30, the Judah swing, the volatility, I wanted to catch that volatility. I didn't want to catch the price action. I wanted to catch that volatility around 9:30. It didn't give me the opportunity. I didn't participate in this price action. In my opinion, that was a very nice market structure shift. Market just didn't give me the fair value gap around that area. When it didn't give me the fair value gap, I'm not gonna catch that buy. Okay, is there any fair value gap? I guess no. Actually, very small. I don't want to mark that one. Whatever. It didn't give me the fair value gap. I'm just not going to touch that market. Okay. Here, if you can see that market has been rejected from the from this fair value gap, bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Tap to the high now. Now it is going higher. Yeah, it can reach higher now. Why I'm looking for buy? Do I have any buy side liquidity? I don't have any kind of buy side liquidity. No buy side liquidity. Then why you are looking for buy? Because this line is is created over there by narrative. What is narrative? How Friday works. Go to my YouTube channel. There is a folder named narrative. Watch that folder. There is 5 videos. Watch them clearly, closely, study them. You'll understand how can I am oversure about my direction every single time. I'm explaining everything from the beginning to until now. I explained everything. What it is going to happen, what I am expecting. If it expect my expectation works, I will be in the market. If my expectation doesn't work, maybe I will change my bias, but it will depend. Okay, depend on the price action. If I see something cool, then I will actually change my bias. Otherwise, I'm bullish until this line. Okay. Does it comes to 50% of news week? Okay, I guess brother, you joined later. Spark FX. As I told that it can obviously come until the 50% of that week from 15-minute chart or from 8:30, whichever you want. It can reach until that area, but I am not interested to catch that on, and I don't want to see that as well. I don't want to see that this fair gap is going to be violated. This 15-minute fair gap is going to be violated. I don't want to see that. If it do that, I will do nothing because I'm bullish. I'm not bearish. So every kind of sell setup, I'll just let them go. I will try to catch the buy setup only. It can obviously come until that area, but I don't see any logic reach until that area. It can come over here to that hourly last fair gap. Below this hourly last fair gap, I have the weekly order block. It can reach until that order block as well. In this type of situation, I will change my bias. I need more price action over here, then I will change my bias. But so far, I'm bullish and I'm not going to change my bias. So when market is falling, I don't know how far it can fall. My expectation is this bullish parabolic from 50-minute chart is not going to be broken. I'm not gonna catch any kind of sell run. In my opinion, the sell setup is gambling over here. Without price action, you are just trying to catch the sell because of the price action. I mean, kind of FOMO or something like that. Oh man, market is falling, so I would love to catch that run. Something like that. I'm not interested on that. Instead of that, I would love to catch the buy run. But for that, I need perfect setup. The way market is trading right now, and as we have a news around 10, no entry I'm interested. Okay. Hey, SK Trades, how are you, brother? I'm cool, man. I'm really cool today. If I can touch 6600 subscribe, okay, I got someone else actually. So it's 6. I just need 20 more subscriber. If I can touch 6600, oh man, that's awesome. That's awesome. Mark your new day opening gap. Brother, when I didn't mark it, then please mark it by yourself. I don't want to mark it. Please mark it by yourself. Keep it on your chart. Please. I'm doing amazing too. Thanks, man. You will get more subs. Don't worry. Thank you, man. Can you show please how you draw weekly low? Brother, just go to your chart, mark the Sunday low. Just go to your chart, mark Sunday low. I guess you are late actually. So just mark the Sunday low. That is the Sunday low. There is the range from here to here. This is the Thursday high. This is the Sunday low. So this is the range where market should reverse again into that range. Okay. Just go to your chart, mark Sunday low over here. This is the low of Sunday. This is the Friday high somewhere here. I don't know where. Then this is the Sunday low. So this is the low of the current week. This is the low of current week. This is the high of current week. Market went below this Sunday low. I'm expecting market is reaching, at least it is coming back again inside this weekly range. So here to here, this is the weekly range. Market is coming back inside that weekly range. So that is my expectation. Okay. If you don't understand, I guess what to say. I don't know what to say. Am I going to take this entry? No, I'm not going to take that entry. As I explained already, there that was market structure shift. This is also a perfect market structure shift. Also, I have the fair value gap over here. Look at this fair value gap. So I'm not gonna catch this move, even if went higher and reach until that area. I'm not willing to take that entry. Why? We have a news around 10. So I'm not going to catch this run. So from here, sorry, from there to there. Okay, even if it reach over here, you don't need that 105 handle. I am not going to catch this one. Keep that in your mind because this is very important. First time, then price. Without time, no price. I'm just avoiding some comment which I'm thinking that it is, I mean what to say, irrelated with my chart, because I know what I should mark, and I'm just marking those level which is important to me. Which is not important, I'm not marking them. So here, please don't try to give me your opinion. If you are here to learn, then don't give me your opinion. Instead of that, whatever I have marked, try to focus over there. Don't focus something I didn't draw your attention. Okay, please don't do that. Here I'm focusing only bullish fair value gap. See, I'm not focusing on this bearish fair value gap. I have a lot of bearish fair value gap. I'm not focusing any of this bearish fair value gap. So don't focus over there. Why you are doing that? Please don't try to give me your opinion over here. Instead of that, if you want to learn, okay. Otherwise, if you are a profitable trader, obviously you don't need to learn from here. If you are not, if you are a beginner, try to focus wherever I'm drawing your attention. Here, I'm just drawing your attention for the bullish fair value gap until this line. Okay, so keep focus over there. Don't focus somewhere else. This is how you will improve. This is how you will learn when and how, why you should not focus to the bearish fair value gap. What do you think? I don't see the fair value gap, bearish fair value gap here. I don't see them. I don't know that there is some bearish fair value gap. Still, I'm not focusing over there. So don't focus over there, brother. Tito, that was a nice move. I agree on the perfect setup, but 15-minute fair value gap also. I told you, Caesar Saz. Okay, I told that if I get a market structure shift over there, the same thing over here. I don't care. I'm not gonna take that buy because of time. It is going to work or not. What is my expectation? Market is going higher. I have this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I saw market has been rejected from consolidated crossment from the top. Both of these things I'm seeing over here. I got a perfect market structure shift. Market went lower, didn't left any relatively equal lows. So no sell side liquidity is over there. Got the market structure shift, fair value gap. I will take that entry over there. It will go higher. I know that I told that I am not gonna touch this market because I am going to give the priority for the time first. Here, the time is important. We have a news around 10. Market is very near to that 10 news. It is going to work, but you are not allowed to take that entry. Now here is your mental situation. I'm just telling this to Sizo Saj, not any other people. I'm just telling this only Sizo Saj, okay? Because he's my brother. I know that he's not going to, I mean, he's not going to mind, okay? He's not going minding by that line. If you ever feel that I missed that run, I was expecting market is coming here for any kind of reason, I didn't take that entry and it went higher. You feel that I missed that run. You are not ready to trade your real money. You will be ready when you will think that it went higher. Oh man, I was feeling like that. It is going higher. It went higher. So boom, you will feel like that way. Okay. That means I missed the run. There is just two lines. I missed the run. Oh man, it went wherever I am thinking it will go. So this is just two lines. This is called psychology. If your psychology is telling you that, oh, I missed that run, that was a perfect setup, I wanted to take that buy, I was confused, I didn't take that buy, now market went higher. How many handle it has provided me? 48 handle. I missed that 48 handle. You are not ready to trade live money. If you think, or if your psychology is telling you, I was thinking that market is going over there, it is going over there, and it went over here, oh hooray, I was right. You're ready, man. You're ready to go for the live trade. Just I'm not telling that. You know your mind. You know better than me. Where what is your mind telling you? So if you ever feel like I missed the run, you are not ready to trade real money. Just trade paper money. Build your own confidence and learn how to let the run go. Okay. I just told this to Sizo Saz only. Okay. So don't get offended, any of you, please. Here, no entry is valid. Make sure that you have given me the likes. The likes are over there. And if any of you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You are going to learn the best price action from the best price action reader. I'm the best. I'm just kidding. I'm not the best. I'm just kidding. I'm just trying to teach you the price action in a logical way. Okay. So please push the like button. That's for free. Subscription is it's up to you. If you want, you can. If you don't want, no problem. But at least push the like button. Okay, bro. Why in London session there is low volatility and when New York start market goes like up, down, up, down. I try to be both session. Please give me some suggestions. What should I do? Shall trade only New York. Okay, Spark. Just watch the last video I have uploaded to my YouTube channel. Just watch that video. The last video I have uploaded to my YouTube channel. New York session, London session, they're different. Please watch that video, brother. Hey, good morning, Jamie. How are you, brother? You are the best. Hats off to your patience. Thank you, Shiva. Market is going higher. Am I going to cry? No, I'm not going to cry. I know the range. This is my range. I will get more opportunity, brother. I know that if I don't get more opportunity, I'm not gonna trade right now. I mean, trade today. But market has just opened 27 minutes. Just 27 minutes has passed. I'm not in rush. Today's Friday. I know that this is the mental preservation day. I was waiting for a buy over there. I didn't get the opportunity. Then over here, it was not valid because of the fair value gap. Then there was a setup. I told that beforehand that market is going higher. I'm not interested to push my button over there. If this thing would happen over here around 9:30, I was in the market. So first time, then price. Never ever, never ever push your button depend on the setup. First think about the time. What is the time right now? Is it why it is not valid? If I had no news around 10, just 10, I don't have any news. I'm already in the market. I'm already in the market. I started to catch that run. I am not going to take that entry by 1 minute setup. I am using 15-minute time frame. I knew where market is reaching for. I knew everything. So I'm gonna take that run. But as I have the news around 10, I'm not interested to catch that. Now this news is not that much volatile. I mean not that much important, but still that is the red folder news. Okay. If it was the medium impact news, yeah, I would be in the market already. If it would be the medium impact news. But as it is red folder news, no, I am not interested. I'm just not interested. Simply. Okay, okay, okay. Loving you is a losing game. By the way, guys, the voice is okay. I will make 600 subscriber by today. I will make that. Okay. I don't know what is going to happen, but I am going to make that. Now, guys, I don't remember the name. Who was thinking about the bearish fair value gap? Look at this fair value gap. This is the fair value gap you are looking for. It was not important at all. This fair value gap is not important at all. But this fair value gap is little important. That means you can get an respect. I mean, reaction from this fair value gap. Why? Because from 15-minute chart, you have some buy side liquidity around that area. You will see that buy side liquidity from 1 minute chart clearly. So over here, this is that buy side liquidity, very clean buy side liquidity. Look at this relative equal highs. Okay, this relative equal highs is over here. Above that relative equal highs, this is that 50-minute bearish fair value gap. You can get some reaction from that fair value gap, that bearish fair value gap. You should not focus over there. I don't remember who actually talking about that one. Instead of that, what should you look for? A bullish fair value gap from here. If market can make a bullish fair value gap, that's better opportunity. If it can make a bullish fair value gap, I will start to look for a buy again from that bullish fair value gap. If market doesn't go inside this fair value gap, I mean inside that run, if it reached until inside this run, I will stay quiet over there and I will keep looking for some better opportunity. Okay, so yeah, first I need to be patient over here. Today's Friday again, mental preservation day. Make sure that you are patient enough. You are not in rush. Chiru loves that song. Hey man, is good. The sound is okay. The singing is not okay. I'm sorry for that singing. Walaikum assalam, Tahir. How are you, brother? Some people are crying, just crying because we didn't push my button over there. We are going to get 100 handle, something like that. 100 or something until that 100, yeah, 106 handle. We are going to lose that 106 handle. As I told, if you feel like that way, you are not ready yet. Trade real money. Real money emotion is much more difficult, brother. Trust me. So you have to be patient over there. If it reach until that line, yeah, I will be tradeless for sometimes. But if it fail to reach inside that range, instead of that, if it make a bullish fair value gap from 50-minute chart, I will start to look for another buy setup from that bullish fair value gap until this range. So here I'm just praying that please don't go inside that weekly range. Instead of that, make a bullish fair value gap over here from 50-minute chart. Tap to this bullish fair value gap, then go higher. Look at this news, okay? See, there is no volatility at all, just no volatility. So this news actually doesn't have the volatility, but still this is a red folder news. I mean, sometimes shit happens, so I didn't want to participate in that shitty price action. That's all. When I send you a plane ticket, it won't be because of your singing. Okay. News negative could retrace a bit. Absolutely, brother. It can retrace a bit, and I really would love to see that retracement. I mean, I really would love to see that retracement. Then I will have another opportunity to take the buy. Okay. If it doesn't retrace, then I will lose my opportunity to catch the run inside the range. So then I will start to think the price action in a different way. So let him enter into the range again, into this range again. So the range is from here, sorry, there to there. This is the range. When it will go inside that range, I will talk about the price action then. Until this range, there is no price action. You just know that market is going for that range. So all of this is hindsight. If you know this thing, okay, for example, you know how it is going to trade. Now, just for the sake of this video, you don't have any news around 10 in that specific day, or maybe next Friday. You are seeing the same price action, but you don't have the news around 10. Are you going to push your buy button over there? Is it okay? Or you are not going to push your button over there because it is in deep premium? What you are going to do, brother? Let me know. Let me know. I want your answer. Just for example, okay, you don't have any kind of news around that area. Next Friday, you are seeing the same price action. Market has taken the sell side liquidity, perfectly rejected from the constant encroachment, then to the top. Can you see the rejection from the constant encroachment here? From the constant encroachment, the rejection. Is it clear to you, brother? If it is clear, then where did it tap? To the high of this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Did it work with the lower portion of this fair value gap? No, it didn't work with the lower portion. Where did it tap? High. Is it logical? How many times I have showed it to you? Constant encroachment rejection, top rejection, then constant encroachment rejection, low rejection, then constant encroachment rejection, then top rejection. How many times did I show it to you? Where did it reach? Exactly tick by tick over there. 50-minute last fair value gap, 50-minute entry fair value gap. Not exactly constant encroachment rejection, but at the same time very near to the constant encroachment. I'm sorry, because market has worked over here a lot of time. It has traded this volume balance. I'm using that as a last fair value gap, as I don't have the last fair value gap. Tapped over there, then come back again. Where did it came? Exactly where did it came? Did you see something happen before? Is it similar to that? Is that similar to you? Okay. Then market has made a swing high, which is valid for shifting market structure. Why this one is valid, brother? It didn't trade any fair value gap. It doesn't need to trade the fair value gap. In whole this price action, this is the highest swing high. In this all price action, this is the highest swing high. This was the highest swing high. That was the highest swing high. Until this two swing high wasn't there. That was the highest swing high. I don't need to make the rules made over there. But if you want to make, think, just go back and see if it tapped on any fair value gap or not. Just look it over there, but you don't need that. When it fall, did it left any relatively equal lows over there? No, brother, it didn't. So is there anything else? Can you see? Mark the lowest week over here. Did it reject from that constant encroachment of that week? Why that week, brother? Because this week has traded the fair value gap and taken all of these lows. All of these lows has taken trade that 50-minute fair value gap. But brother, it didn't trade the 1-minute fair value gap. I don't care. I have already the 15-minute fair value gap. Did it trade that fair value gap? 15-minute? Absolutely. 50%. Did it reach until that area? No. That means more bullishness. You are expecting market is going higher. Here you got the confirmation. Here you got the confirmation. Here you got the confirmation. Finally market reach until that week 50%. You don't need this one. I'm just telling you for more insight. Okay, failed to tap, even failed to tap the 50%. What is that called? Extremely bullishness. Do you get the market structure shift with displacement? You got it. Fair value gap, yeah, you got it, but it didn't trade the fair value gap. I can see it. Try to catch close approximately entry. If you can just think here to here, maybe one handle. Are you going to, I mean, miss that trade for one handle? Up to you. You know that market is going higher. Why you didn't take that entry? I have a news around 10. That was the real red folder news. If I hadn't that news, could I take that entry? Was am I trying to take the buy from there? Yes, brother. Then here, here, boom, where it is reaching for. You know that thing. Simply, brother, this is the logic. This is the reading price action. You are not going to get this from anywhere else. Nobody is going to tell you this. Step by step, step by step. Nobody, simply nobody will tell you this. Do you know why? Because if you learn how to read this price action, you will never come back to me. What will happen to me then? I am a YouTuber. In my YouTube, I need more subscriber, more views. Because if you don't give me the views, I will be hungry and I will die. Because I don't know how to earn money by this trading. So I need you, right? No, man, I don't need you. I want you to leave me. But before leaving me, learn this price action. Because if you just understand this small price action, just you don't know what is going to happen to you. Your whole perception will be changed. Everything, it will be changed, man. Everything will be changed. If it is a load shedding, I'm extremely sorry. If it is not a load shedding, I will be here. Do I have anything to do right now? No, I don't have anything to do right now. I'm just watching two things. First, is it reaching inside that range, or is it not going inside that range? Instead of that, it is coming back inside that bullish fair value gap. I'm just watching these two things. If it failed to reach inside that range, instead of that, it came back again inside this bullish fair value gap, I will start to look for a buy setup again until that range. If it has already it returned into this weekly range, I need to observe the price action then again. Where it will go, I have to observe that price action again. I don't know then where it is reaching for. I just don't know, because when it will go inside this range, it can simply consolidate the rest of the day. That consolidation can be high volatile consolidation, it can be choppiness, it can be seek and destroy mode, it can be like it went lower, tap some kind of fair value gap, it's not going to give you any setup, then it's coming back again inside that range, or it will keep going higher. Nothing is confirmed. So I would love to catch that run from here to here. In that run, I would love to catch at least 30, 25 to 30 to 40 handle. I would love to catch that run. If I get that opportunity, I will be in the market. If I don't get that opportunity, I will keep waiting to see more clean price action. Simply. Okay. I would like to know when to take the trade after MSS without waiting the fair value gap to not miss the trade. You have to watch my yesterday's stream. Okay, brother? I can simply give you the answer, but I'm not going to do that. You have to watch the whole stream from yesterday, because yesterday I have repeated that like 3 to 4 to 5 times, where you should not wait for the market structure. I mean, after the market structure shift, where you should not wait to fair value gap trade. By the way, if any of you knows the answer, please give him the answer. Okay, if any of you know the answer. So it reached inside that weekly low. Okay, it tapped over there. I just missed it. Why I did miss it? Why I miss it? I had the news. I'm just unfortunate. That's just unfortunate. That's just unfortunate. Okay. Yep. Nothing. Absolutely, I have nothing to do right now except watching this price. I have to keep watching what it is going to do. Just nothing to do. The guys who are thinking, oh man, I missed that run. Trust me, you are not ready yet. You are not learning. You are just wasting your time in trading. Don't waste your time, brother. Just do another business. You will do better over there. But trading is not for you. It is falling, brother. I'm going to take the sell. Don't ever, ever do that mistake. Don't ever do that mistake. Sell setup is only valid when you know the answer. Thank you, Akshay Madhok. Thank you for that answer. Setup within a setup. That's the answer. The right answer is sorry. The winning medal goes to Akshay Madhok. So far, I can see. Setup within a setup. Market has taken all the liquidity. All the liquidity has taken. Market structure shift. There was a fair value gap. No, there was no fair value gap. I don't need the fair value gap. I don't need the perfect price action over there. That was outside of the session. That was the first setup. I have built the MSS rules, fair value gap rules. ICT has built that fair value gap rules so that we can catch the most probable entry. But market doesn't need to follow that. Most of the time, when the thing happen over there, the fair value gap market structure sheet, that things happen most of the time. It's a high probability trade. Okay. After taking the liquidity, this is the market structure sheet. Fair value gap market went higher. This is the order block. See this order block. Market has traded that order block, went higher. This is that unfilled area. What is that? Unfilled area. That should not be filled. It should not be filled. Market went lower, filled that unfilled area. What you will look for? High, low, higher, high. Sorry, no, sorry. Low, low, high, lower low. Low, high, lower low. The highest up close body close candle is gonna be your breaker block. This is the first time where market has been violated. See over there, it has been violated, that highest up close body close candle. Let me mark the consecutive breaker block. So here to here, that is that consecutive breaker block. Where the price worked inside that breaker block, it went below this breaker block. What is that? Mohawk. Tap to this breaker block, went higher. Maybe you got a stop out over here. Maybe it went higher, close above this breaker block again. One more time it has closed. Take re-entry. Put your stop loss again the same place. Cover the Mohawk. How far you should cover that Mohawk? I told that to my live streaming members only live stream over there. So the members, they know how far you should cover the Mohawk. Then tap to the mean threshold of that breaker block, went higher. This 22 YT model, or this one, okay, this one has created inside this 22 YT model. So basically, this is the origin of your 22 YT model. This is the sub 22 YT model. Here, market doesn't need to trade the fair value gap. What it is doing, it is reacting either from the breaker block, or the breaker block is over here, so it is reacting from this breaker block, from there. Now over here, the members, when you will get the breaker block, what you should expect over there. That does market need to trade this fair value gap, or it can trade something else and then expand higher? The members, they know that better than me. After the breaker block, I explained that in that members only video perfectly, and you will see that 95% time it is going to repeat. 95% of the time. Does it need to trade that fair value gap? I don't think so. Now you are looking for sell. I'm looking for price reach, come back again to this bullish fair value gap. If it can come over here, I'll keep looking for buy. Why? It is where the price right now. Where the price right now? Is it still inside the range? I want to see the price will stay inside the range. It has to stay inside the range. Now when I told that, my members knows that you don't need that specific information, you don't need that specific information, you don't need it, you just don't need it. Here this setup, you don't need to learn that setup, don't no need to learn that one. I have already explained the breaker block in my YouTube for free. 22 IT model for free, how to use this 15-minute parabola for free, everything is free. The members are going to learn this order block only, how to identify that order block. They're just going to learn this small information, you don't need that one. Okay, so if you don't know this one, then you know market is not going to tap to this parabolic gap. I told that how many times, because this setup is inside another setup. After that one, you know how to mark the breaker block. Why this is not going to work like that? Because of the order block. They are going to learn why it is exactly it's not reaching over there. What is the exact reason? That is the difference. Okay, so you don't need that small portion of that price action. And sometimes you start to blame, man, wait, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Guys, if I don't get 150 likes within 1 minute, I'm not gonna talk about a single word again. I'm just not going to talk about a single word again. If you don't give me the likes, more than 200 plus 220 plus people are watching and the likes is too small. I am a very small guy. I need your support, guys. I need your support. Okay, to be honest, I need your support. Give me some support, guys. Keep that bullish favorable cap in your mind. When market will come inside this bullish favorable cap, you will start to look for buy setup again. What is that buy setup? 22 YT model. I should keep quiet until 160 like. Sometimes I feel so. Oh man. I think all who watching live now are subscribed. Okay, actually let me check if there is anyone who is not my subscriber. So I would love to make a poll actually. Are you my subscriber? Something like that, okay? So that I will be understand if there is a, what I'm waiting for. I have already told you. I'm waiting for to price come back again this bullish parabolic gap. Then I will start to look for buy again. What is my range? This line until price is below this line. I am bullish. I will keep looking for buy setup. Okay. By the way, do you know anyone else is in live and what is their direction? I would love to know that. Today my target is, to be honest, 600 subscriber. So if I can touch that on, that this will be my best day for this YouTube, if I can get that on. Are you my subscriber? Subscriber. Okay, let's see if there is anyone who is not my subscriber. Obviously, please don't roll over here. Instead, please push the button if you are not my subscriber. Just pull, participate in that poll. Now, guys, some of you are thinking that market is going to fall now. I mean, you are looking for sell setup. I have already explained why you should not look for the sell setup. If you would love to take a sell, what you should look for, you know the answer. So wait for that sell setup. Otherwise, it just okay. I can see that 100% people are my subscribers. So there is no one who is not subscriber. Okay, so all the subscribers are watching today's live. No new people. That's cool. I'm just waiting. Okay. If there is anyone who is not my subscriber and if he is still with me until the end of this stream, he will be my subscriber. Okay, as I can see that all of the people are my subscriber, so I'm telling you this, they will be my subscriber. If anyone just join me and stay with me until the end of this stream, they will subscribe to my channel and then they will leave. Without subscribing me, it's nearly impossible to leave my stream, but for that they need the patience, they need to be patient. Waiting, little star, how I wonder what you were. Did I get 160 like? I didn't get yet, so why I'm talking? I should not talk, right? I should not talk. If I don't get 160 likes, I should not talk. You will learn this concept without like. Oh no, man, it's not going to happen. You have to pay me, right? You have to pay me. What you are going to pay? A like. You have to pay me a like. She's so cute. So push the like button if you want to learn more. You stopped using under minute chart, sub on minute chart. Yeah, brother. Lot of complaint. Brother, we can't use sub on minute chart. Please don't use that. So I stopped to use that sub on minute chart. Now this is a really bad situation for me because here there is no swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. Okay, that's why I'm gonna cry. Okay, right now I'm going to cry. That is a very nice setup actually, except the swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. If I had that swing market structure shift, I would be able to catch that buy. Here I'm just unable to do that, but I would love to mark something here and I'll just cry. Okay, here without crying, I really don't have anything to do. Just without crying, as I don't have the market structure shift, I am just unable to catch that run because this is not high probability, and I really don't want to show you something that is not high probable, at least not from Friday, because Friday is preservation day, mental preservation day. By the way, I don't need to wait until this area because this is the opening, so it can reach until that open as well, but I will see if it can reach until that line or not. So either way, I will keep that over there. Okay, it reached over there. Now it should expand here. Why I'm not taking this entry? Because this is not a perfect setup. This is a order block setup. Why this is order block setup? Market didn't reach until the last fair value gap. Okay, I can see it. I'm not a blind. Okay, I'm not a blind. I can see it. It didn't reach until this last fair value gap. Is that valid order block? What do you think? Tell me, what do you think? Is that a valid order block? I need to mark the opening. As market reached until the open, I'm going to mark the opening. Why you are not pushing your button now? As I told, this is Friday, mental preservation day. I am not going to take my buy without any perfect setup. Isn't it perfect setup? No, it's a probable setup. This is a probable setup, not perfect setup. Here, if I would love to take that entry, for example, if I would take that entry, where would be my real stop loss? See this candle, 50%. This is the min threshold. I am going to cover the high of this fair value gap and the min threshold. My stop loss is going to be 16 handle. So if I get stopped out over here by 16 handle, I'll be happy, because if I'm right, I'm gonna get that 37 handle. I will take a partial over there and I will go for the standard deviation over there, minus 1 standard deviation until that area. I will go until that area. But as today is Friday, and if I take that entry, as I told you, it's not high probable entry. If I take that on and if I get stopped out, you will start to see that this guy has taken a losing trade. That's why I'm not pushing my button over there. I don't want to take the losing trade. I will go if and only if I see a perfect setup. Then I will go. Did you take that entry? If I were alone, obviously I would take that entry. Okay, I will just remove this standard deviation. Okay, I don't need that standard deviation. I'll just mark the min threshold of that order block. So I don't want to see that market will reach until that order block. I don't want to see that as well. And going to remove this one as well. As market reached until that area, I am going to put it over here. Okay, as market reached until this order block. So let me put it like that way, and we will see if it works or not. I'm waiting my setup in 15-minute inversion from yesterday's price leg. So you are looking for sell, I guess, Leah. You can. It's up to you, sister. I'm just not looking for sell. For selling, I need a bearish fabric up, which I'm really not interested to see. I want to see that market will go back inside the range and it will keep staying inside that range. Oh, by the way, let me actually check dollar index. Yeah, dollar index still didn't take that sell side liquidity. Until it didn't take that sell side liquidity, I will keep looking for buy. Now, as I told you again, okay, one more time. If I push my button, it can be a losing trade. But if it is a losing trade, you will see this is a losing trade. If I were trading, I would push my button and I would see that if I take a loss, it's going to be just 12 handle or 15 handle, something like that. I'm really able to mitigate my loss. It's nothing to me. But here, I don't want to push my button. Instead, I will wait for the perfect setup. If I get the perfect setup, I'll be in the market. Okay. It's moving too slow. Okay. Yeah, you are looking for buy. Oh, okay. So if you are looking for buy, then we are at the same level, sister. You and me both are looking for the same thing. Where is potential upside? A market structure shift. Just a market structure shift. That's your potential up. Buy setup. As I told you, I don't have any swing high. If I had a swing high over there, I didn't want to. I didn't wait to see that is valid or not. I didn't even see that. If I just get a swing high over there, I would take that entry from that fair value, or maybe from that order block. From any of that level, I would take that buy. As I don't have any swing high, I'm just not going to take that buy. Simple. Just that's my problem. Okay. Here, I just don't have anything. Not yet. Not yet. This order block is not yet. That's not order block as well. Leah and her trades the 15-minute fair value gap, 11:15 candle. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, Leah, you are cool. Brother, you have missed that trade. Okay, now you are going to miss this one as well. I don't care. I don't care. I'm here to just show you the price action. To, to, to think the price the way you should think. I'm not here to give you the signal. I'm gonna push my button. You are going to copy my trade. Please don't do that. Here, just learn the price action. Man. Just stay here learning the price action. Nothing else. Just learn the price action. Okay. If you can learn this price action, trust me. You don't need to see am I going to push my button on. If it can make a fair value gap over there, what I will see. I will wait actually. Do you know why? For my later breaker block entry. For my later breaker block entry. Oh my goodness. 41 and no, not bad. Okay, I'm going to remove all of these things. Where did it go? Exactly where did it go? From 15-minute chart? Where did it go? I guess some random area it went. Some random area. It can be. Nobody's willing to write down boom. The guys who are waiting to push your button with me, you all will be disappointed today because I am not going to do that. Trust me, I am not going to do that, not even single time. I will do that if I see perfect price action. I will showing you the perfect price action, the way you should read the price action. If you can do that, you don't need anything else. Here, you are not going to take that entry from this fair value gap. You are not going to take that entry from this fair value gap. You are going to take the entry from order block, not this fair value gap. Keep that in your mind. If you think that you are taking this entry from this fair value gap, if you don't see a fair value gap over there, you will miss that run. Trust me, man. Remember that -1 standard deviation. Keep that on your chart. Why -1, brother? Why -1? It should be -1.5. This is the part you will need more time to waste over here. Now, let's see if some of you have subscribed to my channel or not. If I get at least 2 subscribers right now, I'll say that okay, that was insightful. So happy that market go on our analysis. Boom. Thank you, man. With me is fine. Without me is fine. Yeah, thank you. That is the part you have to understand. So I can see I got 82 likes. Yeah, 82 votes. No, 110 votes. Just 1% is not my subscriber. 99% is my subscriber. Okay, that was awesome. 99% was my subscriber. Market structure sheet, fair value gap. Are you going to take the buy? It's in deep premium, brother. Okay, I'm not going to tell you anything. Just I would love to say you keep that standard deviation on your chart. Just keep that standard deviation on your chart. Okay, let me keep it. -1 standard deviation. Keep that in your mind. Keep that in your mind, okay? I'm gonna end the poll and yeah. Boom boom bole. Loving you is a losing game. Man, it tapped to the minus 0.5 standard deviation. Now it is falling. Let's see. Just keep that line in your mind. Minus 1 standard deviation. Keep that in your mind. Actually, let me check if I have anything around that area. Okay, no, nothing. I'm okay with that everything. Okay, I'm okay everything. Premium discount is in our minds. Premium and discount, yeah, brother. Yeah, I know. A lot of people will say, brother, this is in deep premium. You are not going to take the buy from there. This is in premium. You are not going to take the buy from there. This is premium. You are not going to take the buy from there. I know that, brother. You are thinking about discount and premium. I know that. You are better than me. Niyanti, I'm just not going to frame the trade. The reason is actually the ambition. Okay, some people started to follow me to copy my trade. Niyanti, to be honest, okay, I am just unable to show their name. But if you go to my YouTube channel and to my recent videos, you will see some sort of comment over there. Okay, so in those comments, you will see that people are just forcing me to copy my trade. Now I don't want to do that. So I am reading the price action. I'm telling you everything. You will see that if it is going to happen or not. Okay, you will see that it is going to happen or not. Not until here. Okay, from here to not here, until that area, then this order block until this high, then until this minus 1.5. Is it going to happen or not? You will see that I'm explaining everything. All I'm just telling you, I'm just not going to tell exactly what is going to happen. This is not hindsight. This is not hindsight. This is not hindsight. This is not hindsight. That means after effect, I didn't tell that. I hope that it's clear, brother. I am giving you the ATM machine in your hand, just in your hand, from that specific order block. Sorry, let me mark it from there. Okay, just from there to there, to that high, 38 handle. From this deep premium to until that area, 46 handle. From this area to that high, 45 handle. Now here the 50%, that should be the partial. The 50% between these two levels, that should be the partial, as it is too much. 46 handle is too much. I really don't feel comfortable to hold my trade for 46 handle, 50 handle, something like that. All of this was hindsight, right? Before it happened, I mean, after it happened, I explained that. I told you market is going over there. Oh man. But I am just unable to frame the trade. I am just unable to push my button, as some people are expecting that this guy is going to push his button and we are going to copy his trade. Now I am really, I don't want to do that. But am I hiding anything? No, I'm not hiding anything. I'm explaining with some tricky word to you the price action, with some tricky words, so that you can't be push your button by my direction or by my analysis. If you want to push your button by your analysis, I don't have any problem. When market happened over there, market has taken the liquidity, market structure shape, entry favorable gap, breakaway gap, entry favorable gap, breakaway gap, immediate reaction. Deep, you are not going to take that entry because it was in deep premium. Bullshit. That's the trade I took. Welcome, brother. Welcome. You're so clever, man. Thank you, brother, for taking that entry. This is the perfect entry. Today's morning session, this is the perfect entry. Until now, this is the perfect entry. Until minus 1 standard deviation. If you have more than one contract, take partial, hold it until minus 1.5 standard deviation. If you have more than one contract, take partial, hold it until minus 1.5. Don't hold it more than minus 1.5. Don't hold it. It can reverse from -1 standard deviation, has possibility, though I don't want to see that. Just would love to see some reaction. That means market will give me some reaction from there. Minus Why -1? I am not gonna explain this one right now because it's little deeper. Okay, you will be confused. You will ask me a lot of question, man. I don't want to give you the answer right now. Why -1 is exactly important right now over there. I'm not just interested to explain that one, to be honest. Okay, I'm sorry for that, but you don't need that right now because you can just simply say that from here, from that look, okay, from there, that fair value gap to until that area, 40, 46 handle to 45 handle is more than enough for being profitable. Guys, I deserve some boom, okay? Though I didn't push my button, I deserve some like, boom, man, to be honest. I will wait for your boom. I will wait for your likes as more than 200 people are watching. I'm expecting 180 likes. If I get that 180 likes, yep, I will keep talking again. Someone has commented actually. I only want to help. Give me 2 months. Okay, someone has just commented. I don't know who he is, but I just okay. Someone has unsubscribed actually. Okay, let's see. No problem. Now I don't like that comment, Om Patel. Om Patel, I'm not going to give you the answer to you. I'm going to remove this. Okay, I'll just keep it over there. Now, where the market right now? Let me make it bigger. Where the market right now? Inside the range of your weekly range, right? It is inside your weekly range. What should you expect now? The reaction or the reversal? What should you expect, brother? Reversal. From where? From where, brother? From where you should expect the reversal? I'm not gonna tell you anything. You know that, right? Oh man. Not only last fair value gap, either first entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap. But every kind of buy setup is now too dangerous, too much dangerous. Every buy setup right now is too much dangerous. Yeah, just make sure that you are not in rush. Don't look for any buy setup. Now tell me, anyone took any kind of entry today or not? This is not high probable entry because it was before the what to say, before the l- news. It is not high probable entry, but still you can catch that run, at least some portion of that run. This is the first entry where you didn't get the market structure shift entry. At the same time, what you have got, market went lower inside this 50-minute fair value gap. It went higher, made the lowest down close candle, which is your order block because it has traded that fair value gap, specifically that entry fair value gap. At the same time, you have the 15-minute bullish fair value gap, went higher, order block entry. If you don't catch that entry, no problem. This is your perfect setup for today's morning session. Perfect setup. Market structure shift, fair value gap, tap this entry fair value gap. It is reaching higher. Where? Exactly the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart or the last fair value gap. Before that, you have this minus 1.5 standard deviation. It can reverse from that area as well, or from -1 standard deviation. But just skip this one, -1, as it didn't reverse from there. So just forget about that. So minus 1.5 or minus 2.5 standard deviation. It can just reverse. Okay. From entry or bag. Thank you, Tamimi. Okay. No. Okay, Guerrero, you didn't. Francisco, you took. Shiva, you didn't. I took by Jonathan. Okay, that's cool. I took long from 1024 parallel gap. 1024 parallel gap. Now I told that if you think this is reversing from this parallel gap, my English is not clear, brother. My English is not clear, brother. You don't understand my English, right? If any of you are looking for the entry from this parallel gap, you are doing wrong. Here you can't look for the parallel gap entry. Here you have to look for the order block entry. Just no parallel gap entry because market has didn't shifted over there. If there was a swing high which was valid for shifting market structure, then you could look for the parallel gap entry. As market is using this parallel gap for trading, most of the time it is not going to make the parallel gap at all over there. Here you have to focus on the order block. Okay, so yeah, I hope that it's understandable. But if my English is not good, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, I am trying my level best. Any kind of buy setup is now risky. It's not invalid, it's absolutely valid, but it's risky because market can now fall until this bullish order block from 15-minute chart. It can fall until that bullish order block now. So make sure that you are you're ready for that reaction. Okay, I'm not feeling so confident. I need 180 likes. I'm gonna take a break for 2 minutes, and at the same time, if I see that I got 180 likes, yeah, I will keep talking about the price action. I will try to explain some more price action. If I don't see that, I will be quiet for sometimes. And yeah, I'm not thinking that I'm gonna get 600 subscriber today. So it will be like 81 subscriber right now, maybe one or two maximum. Yeah, the people are not willing to learn this awesome ICT concepts from me. They want to learn it from someone famous. Okay, go and learn from there. I have no problem. I'll be back within 2 minutes. Don't look different kind of model. Work with one model. Be the master of one model. Okay, just be the master of one model. You don't need breaker model entry, order block entry, inversion parabolic entry, market structure shift 22 YT model entry. You don't do that. Always look to work with one model. Be the master of one model, then work with another model. Okay. What I'm looking for right now, I would love to see if market can come back again to this bullish fair value gap. Then if it can make a perfect setup over here, I'm not confident to take the order block entry from this fair value gap. Why? Because now market has the order block over there, so market can reach until the order block. It doesn't need to reverse from that fair value gap. So I will wait for a perfect setup from 22 YT model from that area. If I get that, then I will catch that run again. I will try to catch that run. The reaction should happen from minus 1.5 standard deviation. If the reaction can happen from the minus 1.5 standard deviation, I will expect market will come back again inside this fair value gap at least. Then it will make a perfect setup until the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. At least until that entry fair value gap. That will be my expectation. Okay. Otherwise, I am not interested to touch this market again. Should I need to push my bottom? Okay, let the price do something and let me do some advertisement for you and for me, for both of us. This is the apex where you have 80% off. If you love copy trade, which is actually the real way to be profitable by trading copy trade. Without copy trading, you can't be profitable by trading. Trust me, brother. Apex is the best option for copy trading. Over here, you can see 150k, 250k, and 300k account are only for $40. My recommendation is to go for 150k only. Don't go for 250 or 300k. Don't go for them. Instead, just take 150k. This is the best option for trading future market. If you can pass the eval, then you have to pay a lifetime fee that is $85. Then you will never need to pay any other fees. You will be able to earn money from that account. Okay, so if you use the discount code on the right top corner NLCKHFMI, then I'll be grateful to you. You will get the link and the code both in the description. Okay, so you will get that. So this apex prop firm, you can use this code for 150k just for $40. If you would love to take, I mean trade, I mean if you like to trade another prop firm, I would love to suggest you the funded futures because it is cheaper, and trust me, it's so good. Okay, until now I don't see anything bad for them so that they can be closed. I really don't see something like that. Now it can happen that they can be closed. Okay, any kind of prop firm can be closed anytime. It can be apex, it can be top step, it can be anyone. But so far this funded future is in maybe number 2 or 3, I don't know. I think number 2 or 3 for the future trading. Okay, so funded futures is going to increase very soon. Over here you can see the 50k account is just for $80. If you use the code T2 Wizard, you will get the code and the link in my description. Then you will get 5% off, and in that type of situation it's gonna be $76. So over here 150k you will get that 5% off. 220k you will get the 5% off. Okay, so my recommendation is 150k, obviously always just 150k. But if you have some financial problem, obviously you can catch that 50k account. Over here if you can pass this one, this is one day. Okay, there is no consistency. If you can earn $3000 by one day, you have already, you will get the, you know, the express account. You don't need to pay any other fees and no other fees. And you can see their scaling of drawdown is too good. $2500 over there in top step X. To get a express account you will need $198. over there you will get that same account by $76 only if you use the code. In top step you have $2,000 max drawdown. Over here you will get $2,500 max drawdown. Top step you will get $1,000 drawdown, daily drawdown. Here you will get $1,200 drawdown. Okay, if you fail to pass the eval you will need just $50 to reset. Over here if you pay, fail to pass it, then you need $70. Over here 220, if you fail it, then you will need just $100. At the same time, the rest of all you can study them if you like to trade the future market to trade. In my opinion, right now the funded future is the best option. And yeah, that's all. If you use that code again, you will get some discount, 5% discount. I'll be grateful to you if you do that. To the top left corner you will see Bulenox, the same code, hit wizard, and over there you will get 83% off. So some of you actually like the Bulenox, it is also so famous, so you can use that code for Bulenox as well. Okay, so just a little advertisement. And the members, please don't forget to join today's live around 1:30 p.m. I will talk about there only for order block. If I have the time I will talk about the breaker block in a deeper way, but order block things that will be cleared over there. Okay, so make sure that uh, you are with me over there. Please don't miss it. If you miss it, don't worry, it will be there, so you can watch that later as well. If you are trading your real money, you don't need to attend to that stream because that is going to be educational only. Okay, so over there I'm not, the way I told that it is framing the trade here or here, I'm not gonna frame the trade over there. I would love to talk about the order block in a deeper way. So make sure that if you are my member, you are going to join that members streaming around 1:30 p.m. You can see that around the pin post, you will see that. Okay guys, if any of you would love to join me through my Twitter, you will get the link to the comment by stream element. You will get the link for Twitter. Don't miss that. Okay, join our Twitter family as well as the membership link you will get to the comment as well, and the people, the coffee appreciation people, it will be there. So these three comments are going provided by stream elements. After sometimes you will keep getting that message. Okay, for 50K account, how much profit should we make before request the first payout from MFFU? Okay, if you, I'm just giving you one example from 50K. Okay, 50K account, in 50K account you have to earn 100 winning day for 5 days. That means if you can make $100 5 days, it doesn't need to be in a row. Overall, if you can make $500, $100 5 days, you will be able to withdraw that money. So I think I gave you the answer if it is not so complicated. That means you need 5 days winning, not in a row. It can be random winning day, but every single winning day should be at least $100. At least $100. Okay, one guy has bought that that my forex fund, funded future account today, he has used the link but didn't use the code. Okay, that's why he bought it by $80. I don't know why he has done that, because if he has used, simply use my code, then he would get that same account by $76. Okay, yeah, he has given me the partial. I'm happy for that, but he bought it $4 extra. He just paid $4 extra. So make sure that if you bought it, use my code so that you will be able to get that discount, 5% discount. So it's gonna be $76, not $80. Okay. If anyone has any question uh, about prop firm, I believe that Outlander or Tamimi, they will help you guys. Okay. I just can't keep reading your comment because I have to watch the price action as well. Otherwise, how you are going to give me the likes and how you are going to subscribe to my channel? I need both of them, subscription and likes, both of them I need. Still I didn't get 180 likes. You guys are so self-centered. You don't want to even give me the likes, where while it is so free. It's free. It's just free. Someone has just subscribed to my channel. Thank you. 6583, just need 17 more people. If I can hit that 17 people, oh man, I'll be more than happy. This is going to be my first day where I'll be very happy because I will touch my target. What I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for to take a sell? No. I'm waiting for to see that if market can reach until this bullish fair value gap, then it can make a bullish setup or not. If it can make a bullish setup, I will start to look for the buy until this fair value gap. So let me mark this fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Why this fair value gap? Because this is the entry fair value gap. So until this entry fair value gap, I will start to look for buy over there. That is the entry fair value. If it make a bearish fair value gap, I will be looking for sell until this down close candle. Until this down close candle, I will look for a sell if it can make a bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. So I don't want to see that. Okay. Like shaming. Yeah, it's like shaming. To be honest, brother, it's like shaming. Okay, someone has subscribed again. Thank you, brother. Whoever subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Make sure that you have given me a message so that I can remember your name. I can see that you are keep coming or you just subscribed and then disappear. If you just keep, subscribe and then disappear, I'm not going to help you. But if you just give me 7 days, just 7 days, every single day in a row, I'll tell you, man, you will never ever leave my session. Never ever. Whenever I will come, you will join me. I have some people, I have some friends who are here every single day. Even now, my audio sound system is little good, but previously it was a disaster. Okay, trust me, it was just disaster. Still, I had some friends or family over here who actually support me. This is the market structure shift. Are you going to take the buy from there? Absolutely not. This buy setup is not valid. I'm not going to tell later if this setup work. For example, if this setup work and it going here, I'm not going to tell that I told you that market is going to, this was the market structure shift or something like that, then tap over that, then market went higher. No, I'm not going to tell that. This setup is not valid at all. Why it's not valid? What happened over there? Just look over there. Look over here. What happened? Relatively equal lows. Did it reach to this parabolic gap? No. Nothing is clear over here. So even if it works, I will say that was just a luck. Don't go for that trade. I'm not telling you don't go for that trade. I'm just telling this is not a setup you should go for. This is not the setup you should go for, you should look for. Even if it works, no, this is not valid. This was valid. This was valid. This was valid. This was no valid. It's not valid. So make sure that you are not in rush. If you are trading your real money, up to you, man. I mean, if you want to take the buy or something, please go for that. I have no problem. But if you are any of you are here to learn, this is the setup you should avoid. Just this setup. Even if it works, avoid this setup. Don't take this setup. Dollar dynasty. I trade NASDAQ 100 index. The price action almost the NQ future, right? When I have learned this concept, and now I'm not inspiring you guys, but to be honest, when I learned this concept, I had no money to buy the live data. That means I used US 100. Just US 100 I have used to study this market. So over there, that was 10-minute delay. That means we got the real price action. After 10 minutes, it happened. Okay. So I started to predict the price. I need this chart, to be honest. If you are using a NAS 100 or US 100, I don't care. But you need this chart. If it is 10-minute delay, no worries. You start to predict the price. What is going to happen after 10 minutes? This is how you have to study. But you need this chart. That's for sure. Train simulator, you are late, brother. You joined me late. That's why you are talking this. Because it was a perfect price action. All of us knew that where market is going, where it is reaching for. All of we knew that from the very beginning. From here. I came around that area, right? Around that area. Yeah. From there, we knew that what is going to happen. So you are late actually. That's why you're thinking that it's trash. A perfect price action, the best price action, and it is unexpected. To be honest, this is unexpected from Friday. It was the best price action, but it is unexpected from Friday. Now, as I told you, maybe some of you are seeing this is a fair value gap to take buy. Okay, let me mark it. And I believe that I will be able to say that. See, I told you don't look for a buy. I believe that I will be able to tell you that. Can you please show your fib standard deviation settings? Just take a screenshot, brother. Okay, take a screenshot. This is all. Just take the screenshot, please. It will be there. So later you will be able to, reverse the video. Then you can take the screenshot if you want. Tage, T2, please can you explain how you mark the weekly range for Friday? Please watch the today's video first part. I have already explained everything over there. Okay, please watch the first part, brother. So at the end of this video, please watch the first part. You will be that will be clear. Okay. So I live in Thailand. Can I trade NQ futures? If yes, how? Uh, no, I don't live in Thailand actually. I really don't know. But if prop firm like funded futures, top step, or apex, they are allowed in Thailand, yeah, you will be able to trade future by through that prop firm. By the way, guys, I got 6586. So yeah, that was a sudden increase of subscription. Thank you guys, whoever subscribed to my channel. Welcome to our family, brother. I just need 14 more people. Let's see if we can get it or not. Why it is over there? Oh, okay. I actually showed the. I want the reaction from that minus 1.5. I would love to see that it will fall. As I told you, this setup is not valid even if it reach until that fair value gap, entry fair value gap from 15 minutes. I don't care. I am not going to take this buy because this is invalid. This buy is invalid. Don't look for that buy. If you are trading your real money, you are good to go. Please don't blame me if you don't push your button. But if you are not trading your real money, if you are here to learn this price action, that is not valid. The only reason is it left the sell side liquidity around that area. Look how beautifully it left the sell side liquidity around that area. And market repeat history. Market didn't left the sell side liquidity. Every single time market take the liquidity. After taking the liquidity, market went higher. But here it is leaving the liquidity. I don't like that thing. I want to see that market has taken that liquidity. First, it will take this liquidity, then we will see if it can expand higher or not. But here, this entry is not valid at all. I am not agree to take that buy until this fair value gap. Okay, even if it is over there, I don't care. I believe that I will be able to say you that. So I told you, don't take that buy. I believe that it is going to happen. That means market is going to fall. Take that sell liquidity, and I will be able to say that. See, wizard told you not to look for the buy. Thank you, bro. No problem. But why you are thanking me? Okay, one more guy has subscribed to my channel. Thank you, brother. Just need 13 more people. Just 13 more people. Tito, what's your opinion on ES? It's taking all 15-minute fair value gap. Look, the guys who actually love what to say, I mean SMT, this is for them. When market is reaching higher, even S&P is relatively weaker. He's weak. The NASDAQ is the stronger. That means NASDAQ should go through this. But over there, even S&P has went through all of this. What does it mean? That means NASDAQ is going to follow even S&P. This is the confirmation that that entry fair value gap is not going to hold the price. It is also going to follow even S&P. This is how you should look for the SMT. Okay, now I don't want to explain these things too much because it's really right now even S&P is trading this last fair value gap. I believe that it will go through this last fair value gap, but at the same time it will start to spend some time over here. Around that time NASDAQ will expand higher. NQU2024. I don't use SMT long time. It's been a long time I don't use the SMT. Near about when I started my stream, live stream, I think from November, I stopped to use the SMT. But if you watch my entry execution video, you will see that I always use the SMT. See this SMT on my template. There is the SMT. Look over here. This is the SMT. So yeah. Previously, I keep using the SMT, but right now it's been a long. I don't use the SMT because you don't need that SMT. So here I believe that this is going to be broken. Market is going for this sell side liquidity. If it happens, then I will tell you, i told I told you, brother, I told you, wizard told you not to look for buy from there. And I believe that I will be able to say that. So over here, this is better sell setup until that relatively equal lows. Okay, until that area, this is better a sell setup. Or maybe you can target this relatively equal lows over there. From this fair value gap, going to just cover this high which has made this fair value gap, and also that high, just that high. All you need to see that if this candle can close below this fair value gap, if it can close below this fair value gap, or you can just, if you are overzealous, you can just take your entry from there and there. If I would love to look for a buy, yeah, still I'm bullish. I'm still bullish. For that, I need to see that market will reach at least until this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then it will make the perfect 22 IT model. Why I will wait for the perfect 22 IT model? Because market has the possibility to reach until this bullish order block. So I don't want to be chopped up over here. Instead, I would love to wait for the bullish order block to see that if market want to reach until the bullish order block or not. If market can make a perfect 22 IT model from the fair value gap, yeah, I will go for that entry. If it doesn't do that, instead it reach until this bullish order block, it is not going to give me the setup inside this fair value gap. That's for sure. Market never tell you lie. Never ever tell you the lie. Shouldn't we wait for MSS for sell? This is the sell which is actually here. Your entry should be there. Stop loss. I'm sorry. I mean, just put it over there as well. This is the sell which is not high probable trade. This sell is just an perception. What is that perception? Market has made a bullish setup. Then this is the fair value gap that should work as an inversion fair value gap until this sell side liquidity. So whoever took the buy from there, they are going to be stopped out over here. This is kind of a perception. Is that a perfect setup? No, man, it's not a perfect setup. That was a perfect setup. This was a perfect setup. This is not a perfect setup. This is not a perfect setup. Order block setup, perfect. Market structure shift, fair value gap setup, perfect setup. This on is not a perfect setup. It's a setup kind of like 50-50. Okay, this setup is 95 5%. That means 95% time it is going to work, 5% time it is not going to work. 95% it is going to work, 5% it is not going to work. This is 50-50. I always talk about this entry when, I mean, exactly not this entry, because from the last fair value gaps over there, this is the last fair value gap. When it is reversed, then here you don't need to focus on anything else except the inversion fair value gap. I would love to see that market will fall and take at least these lows, at least these lows. Okay, if it can reach until that area, I'll be happy. Is that a high probable trade? Absolutely not. This is just a is assumption that market is reaching for that sell side liquidity. That is just an assumption because of the logic of this setup, where from where it is retracing minus 1.5 standard deviation. Remember, when market was falling, I didn't frame any kind of setup from there. No order block, nothing, because market was not reversing from minus 1.5. Now market is reversing from minus 1.5 standard deviation. I would love to see that reaction will send the price at least until this bullish fair value from 15-minute chart. At the same time, this relatively equal loss from 1-minute chart is going to be taken. Is that a high probable trade? Absolutely not. This is the inversion fair value gap. Why that was the inversion fair value gap, I can't explain. I can feel it, but I am unable to explain it. Now I'm sorry, I just can feel it, but I don't know how to explain that inversion parabolic. I really don't. Stop loss will be there now, as it has been come back again to this parabolic. I would love to put my stop loss over there, just to cover the consequent crossment of that inversion parabolic. If I get stopped out, I'll get stopped out by 400. This should be the first partial around that area, and this should be your sell side liquidity. Either way, I'll just keep it over there, just for because I trail my stop loss too first. You guys complain me, so just let it put over there. Okay, Manjit, this is the problem. I'm not pushing my button. Okay, this is the only thing I'm not pushing my button. Please, brother, don't do that. My confirmation you should not take. Okay, it gives me a lot of pressure, man. When I feel like someone is just pushing their button by my instruction, I feel pressure. I can't read the price in a good way. So please don't do that. Do your own analysis, then push your button by your analysis. Don't depend my analysis. Okay, I'm wrong. I'm always wrong. Please don't copy my trade. Don't copy my instruction. Instead, please try to. I want to say I don't know. I really don't know what to say. But please don't copy my trade. Okay. Yeah, stream is little delay. I know that, brother. I know that. Still, it's delay, but I hope that you will understand the fact, right? If you know that someone is just following your instruction or your trade, you will feel pressure, because if he takes the losing trade, you will be the responsible for that, for his losing trade. I just don't want to take that. What to say, I really don't know. Thank you guys for writing the boom. Thank you, man. Still, it didn't take my sell side liquidity, so I'm not yet getting my boom. Okay, it can tap over there. I'm going to remove this one. If it failed to tap over there, I'll keep this one. Simple. Before taking this sell side liquidity, this two level is valid for your order block, as your order block. This two line is valid for as your order block. Thank you, Strict Jack, for that boom, man. Thanks for that penguin. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to remove that one. Am I going to take buy again? Okay, let me now remove this one, because I need to talk about this price action. Let me remove this one. It didn't work. Let me remove this one. Am I going to take the buy again? Maybe this is going to be a very nice market structure shift. Am I going to take the buy? Should I take a buy? Tell me, brother. Tell me. Faster, faster, faster. Before it happens, tell me. Should I look for a buy now? Did you look for a buy from there? From that fair value gap? Now, are you going to look for a buy? Can you look for a buy? You can look for a buy. Trust me. You can look for a buy. You can look for a buy. Again, you should not. Why you can look for a buy? Now, let me explain this little bit. Why you can look for a buy? It has reached inside this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. When it tapped to this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, it has done its lower job. Though it left that 1 minute liquidity, 1 minute liquidity is just bullshit. though it left that liquidity, I will see how do I see that market has taken this relatively equal loss. Try to understand this part, brother. Market has taken this relatively equal loss, failed to take that extreme low. Do you understand, brother? Let me know if you understand or not. It has failed. Just let me just close it. If you can understand this part, everything is gonna be changed. Every single thing is going to be changed. What do you see? Market has reached inside this 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Okay, took this liquidity, failed to take that low, the extreme low, failed to take that extreme low. Do I get my market structure shift? Yes, I got my market structure shift. What else do I need? Just nothing. Take the buy. Here, the buy is little risky because of this fair value gap. Just because of this fair value gap. But still, this is a high probable trade. I mean, not high probable, but still this is valid. So you will see that sometimes I say market failed to take that extreme low, but took that relatively equal lows as I'm looking for buy. Why am I looking for buy? Yep, until that area. I'm going to take that buy. Now, I didn't tell this after seeing this thing. I told this when market was over there. Don't say that I'm giving you the hindsight. Is that high probable? It's not high probable, but it is kind of 80% time it works. 80% of the time it works. This is your market structure shift. You don't need to wait for this fair value gap. Why? Because this setup is inside that setup. You don't need that one. Over there, you should actually look for the breaker block or order block and whatever it is. But it is little difficult because of this bearish fair value gap. Though it is going to be broken, it is reaching for this fair value gap. This high should be your target. So if you are able to catch your entry from that area, so when you got the market structure shift here, if you can catch that entry, if you can cover this fair value gap, your target should be this highs until that area. Is that high probability? No, it's not high probability, but it's 70 to 80% time it works. Why it works? What is the logic? Basically what you are looking for. Basically what you are looking for. Where market is reaching for? To that entry fair value gap. When it tapped to this fair value gap, did it tap to this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart? Yes, brother. Take liquidity? Yes, brother. Fail to take the extreme low? Yes, brother. Got the market structure shift? Yes, brother. Am I in the market? Yes, brother. This is your obvious buy side liquidity. Hold it until that area. If you are able to take the partial, take the partial, hold it until minus 2.5 standard deviation. Why it is little difficult? Because of this fair value gap, small fair value gap, because it can easily stop the price. Simply it can stop the price, and then whatever it is. I can simply put my stop loss over there when I saw that market has been went above this fair value. I could simply put it over there. It is not valid. You should put your stop loss over there. Why? Market can come back again in that fair value gap. Low probability. But it can come back over here to make the order block. Again, this is not high probability, but it's still 70 to 80% of the time it works. Do you understand that part? Ben Cruz, yes, I was right finally, lol. What was your question and what was your right, brother? I don't know. Guys, do you understand that part? There you go, Eric. I remember your name, Eric. I remember your name. You are the one who was talking about the London session liquidity and 4 hours something. Because of the load shedding, I was unable to tell you that your London session got rest in peace. Welcome, brother. Welcome to my channel. I will make you the wizard of this market. Don't worry. I will make you the wizard of this market. So whatever you know, you are going to think about this market. Everything is going to be changed. Just give me some time, okay? I will make you the wizard. Don't worry. Is that high probability? No. But 70 to 80% of the 80%, I just can't say 80%, but 70 to 80% of the time it will work. and it will take at least this buy side liquidity, it will reach until this minus 2.5 standard deviation. As I told, after 11:30, what is 11:30? 29:30. Okay, after 11:30, every entry is actually low probability for me because it is very near for PM session. This one I will keep, and I believe that it is going to work. That is my belief, but that doesn't mean you are going to push your button. Please don't push your button. Don't copy my trade. It's my request to all of you. Don't copy my trade. Yes, I told you it will go low, bro. Now, you didn't tell me that yesterday. It was the day before yesterday where I wasn't able to come live again because of my load shedding. So you didn't tell that yesterday. It was the day before yesterday where market never go lower. I remember that exactly. So that's why I post in my Twitter as well that the session liquidity trader rest in peace. I posted it to my Twitter. I'm done for today. Thanks for another great session. You are most welcome, Eli Pretej. Perez. Eli Prej. How much is a membership? You can just click the link. You will be able to see that, brother. If you just click on that link, you will be able to see that. It's cheaper. Trust me, it's cheaper, brother. I got 300 point, bro. I told you yesterday for our low sell side liquidity. Okay, brother. I don't know what did you say yesterday or not because it was not about the session liquidity or anything, and I didn't see your comment as well yesterday because I was bearish and it was going to fall because wizard told him to fall, so it was going to fall either way. And I don't know about your 4 hour liquidity. There was the liquidity I told it is going to take. It has taken that liquidity exactly. What I told him, it has taken that liquidity. Okay. And it was exactly the same thing I told him to do. Exactly the same thing. Though I didn't watch your comment yesterday. The way I explained the price action, it worked yesterday, today, the day before yesterday, the day before yesterday is yesterday. It is working the same way I'm telling him to do. Okay. But don't worry, brother. I will I will clear all of your misconcept. The misconcept you were actually carrying about the session liquidity, about the 4 hour chart. If you keep coming, I will if you have the intention to learn, then I will teach you the best price action. I will make you the wizard. But if you don't have the intention to learn, then I'm just unable to do that. You know, it's nearly impossible to do that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So over here, I'm just waiting for the order block to create. It's not order block yet. It will be order block if one candle can close above that height. Then it's gonna be the order block. Until now, it's not the order block. I told that it can come back again to this parabolic gap to make the order block. Okay. So here, if this candle can close above this down close candle, this is going to be my order block. Then it will tap to this order block. Then it will go higher. Okay. This parabolic gap still it's important. This parabolic gap until this price doesn't close above this order block, it's not going to be the order block. So first it has to close above that order block. By the way, the importance not only the high of that order block, the mean threshold of that order block is also a very important area. Okay, a very important area. Again, after 11:30, every setup is low probability because it is very near the lunch hour, and lunch hour, before the lunch hour, time distortion happen. Okay, so every setup is low probability, though it is going to work, but it is a low probable setup. The reason is market is very near to the lunch hour. Let's see if this candle can close above that order block line or not. There you go. Now it is a valid order block, so it should respect it now. This order block should respect it now. Not only this order block, the mean threshold of this order block. So let me mark the mean threshold. It can reach until the mean threshold of that order block. That means the 50% of that order block. Here, this is the 50% of that order block. Let me remove that one. It can reach until this mean threshold. It doesn't need to reach until that area, but it can reach. Okay, again, it can reach until that mean threshold. It doesn't need to do that, but if it go over that, there is nothing wrong. There you go, the breaker block, fair value gap, order block, mean threshold. It should expand higher now. All I want to see that one body close above that high. So here all I need to see this high. Why it is important? Because this is the high which has price made before making this trade of that fair value gap. So if it go above that swing high and just sweep the liquidity, I will be very low confident. But if it can close above that high, I'll be very much confident that market is going higher. So this high is important because of that. Okay. Again, please don't copy my trade. Nobody, please don't copy my trade. Okay, just try to learn the price action. I'm trying to teach you the price action so that you will be able to catch this run. Okay, over here my stop loss will be there below this order block. Look at this order block. I'm gonna put my stop loss below over here. If I get a stop out, I'm okay with that. But here, this is the logical place where I should put my stop loss. I'm going to keep it over there. Otherwise, some people will come and they will say, "Brother, you got a stop out, then price went where you told told it to go." Okay, there's some people over here. They're really so fool because they don't know how to minimize the loss. I would love to see market will make an unfilled fair value gap over there. So there should be a fair value gap that is going to be unfilled. That is my expectation, and all I am seeing how it is going to close above that high. Is it sweeping the liquidity or is it taking? I mean, going to close above this high. This is the part I am watching over there exactly. If it just sweep the liquidity, that means just go above and close below. It is low probability. In that type of situation, I have to put my stop loss too much. You know, it should be too. The trial stop loss should be too faster. So as market has made that area, I want to say it should be unfilled. Okay, want to say unfilled. This one, this one. Does it need to do that? No, it doesn't need to do that. But if it left some portion open of that fair value gap, perfect, man, perfect. It will go. I mean, until that minus 2.5 standard deviation. If it can leave that fair value gap open like that way. But if it close that fair value gap, then it can just start to consolidate, something like that. Oh, man. Okay, 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 okay. You're wrong, brother. You're wrong. I know, I know. I'm always wrong. If I were trading, trust me, if I were trading, I would be stopped out over here. If I put my stop, I mean push my button over here, I would be stopped out over there. Then I would re-entry when market tap to this breaker block. I would take a re-entry over there. And then some people will see, you got a stopped out, brother. You got a stopped out. You don't know what I'm doing because you didn't work in this platform, public platform. That's why I put my stop loss over here. Do you know, do you really believe that my stop loss is still over here? Where is my stop loss? Do you know? Just below this unfilled fair value gap. Just below that unfilled fair value gap. This is my stop loss over there. If I get stopped out, I don't care, because this is the logical place where market should not reach. This is the logical place. So if I was in that specific trade, my stop loss would be just below that unfilled fair value gap right now. How the hell you can predict all this price action? This is insane, bro. Okay, bro. Thank you. Thanks for that comment. I'm not predicting it. I'm making you to predict this price action like this way. I am talking about this price action from here. What is going to happen? I explained every single thing step by step, step by step. Every single thing. This order block. Did I mark it beforehand? No. Did I mean after effect? No. I marked it and then I told that it is going to be valid if one candle can close above that. Then it's valid. When it is valid, I told that it will tap to this order block, it will go higher. It can reach until that pin threshold, but it doesn't need to reach until that area. It tapped to the breaker block high, went higher. I told that if it go above that one and closed above over here, it is going to take that buy side liquidity, that's for sure. That's for 100% sure. I mean, not 100%, I can't say like that way, then someone will start to complain again. Ah, brother, you can't say 100%, okay? Because sometimes it doesn't work. If this fair value gap is still open, it will reach until that area, minus 2.5 standard deviation. If it close that on, then it is very, tough. It will be very tough run. I mean, market will go over there, baby, but you know, high resistance liquidity and something like that. Thank you, brother. Please don't copy my trade. Instead, try to learn this price action. So if you are here to learn, I will make you the wizard. But if you are here to judge or to prove that you are right, I can challenge every single one of you. Except ICT, I can challenge every single person in this world about this price action, at least in this NASDAQ chart. So make sure that you are not here to judge me. Instead, you are here to learn. Just to learn. Okay? Just to learn things. Now tell me, whatever I told the market to do over here, did it do the same thing? When market came here, what did I tell? It can come back again to this specific fair value gap to make the order block. Did it make that order block? After making this order block, I told that it will tap to this, okay, whatever. Just I told that it's going to take that high, at least that high. That's 100% sure. Did it do that? Oh man, still some of you will complain. Now, no entry is valid right now because I'm very near to 12 and I really don't want to read the price action. If I take a sell over there, I will take a partial over there. Am I profitable? If I take a buy over there, I will close my trade over there. Am I profitable? How many handle over there? Just let me check. 28 handle, not bad. How many handle was over there? From there to there. 18 handle, not bad. This is that fair value gap. Remember that unfilled fair value gap. If it is filled by week, remember you will start to look for another breaker block. You know the range where market is reaching for. You know the range. Thank you, brother. Oh, by the way, you have written down boom, and I got 6588 subscriber. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I am going to miss my target just for 12 subscribers. So my target was 6600. Though I am always right about this market, but I'm always wrong about my subscription. So my target was 6600, but it's 6588. So I just missed it for 12 subscriber. But thank you guys. Thanks to all for writing down boom. Thanks to all for giving me the penguin. Thanks to all for learning this price action. I want to make you the wizard of this market. I want you to make the wizard of this market. The only reason, if you are willing to earn from money from here, I'll be benefited. When you will earn 200k, you will send me the plane ticket. I will visit your country. That's my only intention, to give every single thing for free. Every single candle I'm reading step by step. What is the reason? This thing I I concept that clear. How many people were thinking the Eric, okay, I'm not trying to bull him, but he was telling that market left that sell side liquidity. Why it is not the sell side liquidity? Did I explain that? Did I explain that why it is not sell side liquidity? But in a normal way you will see this was the sell side liquidity, but it was not the sell side liquidity, man. Why it was not the sell side liquidity? Did I explain that? Absolutely, I explained that perfectly. You have to take the notes. If you take the notes, you are not going to be defeated by this market. Sometimes you will be defeated, but not always. Okay. We'll definitely send you the ticket, man. Thank you, SK Trades. Don't just disappear. Okay. After some days, don't just disappear. Keep coming. Okay. Don't judge me. My entry, the way Eric judge, I got stopped out. Oh man, I will be stopped out thousands of the time because I don't care. I know I am able to catch every single type run. Not 100% of them, but at least 80% of them I can catch. 80% of that run I can catch. Low, high, I can catch. You will be able to do that as well. But you need little more time, okay? Just little more time. Now I'm not telling this because I'm right today. I'm right every single day. Every single day. By the way, guys, I would love to do some advertisement, 2 minute advertisement. Just give me 2 minutes. This is Apex for 80% off. If any of you are interested to trade through copy trade, then Apex is the best platform for that. Okay. There you can see 150k, 250k, and 300k is just for $40. I recommend you for 150k. I really recommend that. Okay. And the lifetime fee is going to be $85. So all over, if you can pass the challenge, then you have to pay just $85. You will be able to earn the real money. So this was for the Apex. If you use the discount code NLCKHFMI, I will be able to change it to T2 Wizard after I guess 27. So I need just 27 more. I have already got 73. So far I know. Yeah, 73 by, that means 73 per people has used my code. I just need 27 more. Then I will be able to change this one to T2 Wizard. So all my code will be the same, T2 Wizard. At the same time, here you can see this, I mean, these funded futures. Over here, you will be able to get that 50k account just by $80. If you use the code T2 Wizard, then you will get, 5% discount. That will be $76. Make sure that you have used that code. Then you will be able to get the discount. Someone has taken that account actually today, 50k account, but he didn't use the code. He just used my link. That's why I got the partial, but he didn't get the commission. That means he bought it by $80. But if he used that code, then he would be able to get that account by $76. Same thing here, 100k, you will get the same discount, and over here on 50k. My advice is to go for 150k always, because then you will be able to catch the volatile market as well. For 50k account, volatile market you can't trade. You can't trade the volatile market by 50k account, but 150k account, you are good to go. And all the other things, it's very cheaper. You don't need to pay any kind of fees, nothing. If you just buy the challenge, if you can pass that challenge by 1 day or 2 day, or maybe 20 day, I don't know how many days you will take, but if you can pass it by 1 day, you will start to earn real money. Okay? So this is the all thing. You can take a screenshot if you need to see the information over here. You can take a screenshot and then you can study them. Or if you go to the funded futures, you will get the link on my description. If you go over there, you will get the link, so you will be able to, that is all what to say. That was the advertisement. Okay, I'm sorry, it's a very small advertisement. Can I join the live stream later if I get the lowest tier membership? Man, if you take the membership, you will be able to join. That's all. I mean, if you take the membership, you will be able to do anything. I mean, the whatever the members, the higher tier, I mean the higher one, I mean whoever has taken the higher membership, whatever he will be able to do, you will be able to do the same thing if you take the lowest one. So it's up to you. That is just membership. I didn't know that how to work that on. I just write maybe some perk over there, but it's not true. Every single members or every single tier is the same. Okay, everything is same. Hadi, thank you, bro. No problem. I'm done for today. Okay, the price action reading has done for today. I believe that it was insightful, guys. Make sure that you have given me the likes. I can see 184 likes. Just give me 16 more likes. At least give me 200 likes. Okay, I know I'm not going to get 600 subscriber, but at least give me 200 likes. Just 16 more likes. Okay. Francisco, I used your code yesterday. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. I just don't know. Someone has used my link, so I got the partial, but he didn't use my code. That's why he didn't get that commission. I get my partial, but he didn't get his commission. That's why I told that if any of you would love to, use that one, then please use the code. You will get 5% commission as well. Oh, by the way, there is the left corner on the top. You can see the Bulenox 83% off. The code is the same, so you'll be able to get that Bulenox code as well. By that, by that code, you will be get that offer as well. 83% off. Okay. The kit on Bulenox. Thank you, Jen. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Guys, I just give me 7 more minutes. Okay, I would love to stay here 7 more minutes. Then around 12, I will close my stream. I would love to see how this market is going to close around the lunch hour. Okay, so I will see that if I can get some subscriber as well. I just need 11 more subscriber. Then, by the way, guys, I would love to tell something to you guys. Some of you are here already. A lot of people has left already. It's okay. Whoever left me, there will be loss. So it's okay. I don't have any problem. I would love to go to this area. Okay, this video, one easy concept will change your London session trading. Please watch this video, study this video. If you love to trade London session, study this video perfectly. This one video is more than enough for being profitable. I am How can I make you believe, brother? I don't believe me. Just take the information, do the back test. Then if you get the consistency, use that. If you don't see the consistency, throw it to the dustbin. I don't care. Throw it, okay? If you follow this one, I believe that you'll be the wizard of London session. Now, I don't trade London session. I don't like it because of low volatility. But if you are a London session trader, just use this video. The information from you will get from this video. Just use that one. London session is gonna be changed for forever. When you will study my video, try to forget everything you know about ICT price action, because you don't know anything about ICT price action. If you are learning from YouTube or from teacher, any other teacher means any other person except ICT, you know nothing about the price action, because nobody disclose the price action. Nobody, just nobody. At least not in YouTube. I don't know about the private mentorship, but not in YouTube. Nobody will teach you the real price action. So whatever you know, it's not right. It's not 100% right. Maybe some of them are right, some of them are blah, 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 something like that. So whatever you know, just try to forget them and then start from the blank page. Start with a blank page. So your mind, you know nothing about ICT price action. Start to think like that way and then study this video. Okay. I'm not telling this to prove that I'm the best. I'm not the best, but I'm telling you because I don't need you to come here in my life again and again. That's why I don't care if you learn the price action or not. That's why I am giving you everything for free. All I need, you should be profitable. You should be profitable. If you are profitable, then my profit will start to come. I love traveling, brother. This is my only hobby. Okay, in my life I have only hobby, and that is traveling. I love to travel all over the world. As I told you that so far I have traveled near about 31 countries. I would love to travel all over the world, every single country in this world, and it's nearly impossible for me to bear the expense. That's why I'm trying to make you the wizard. If you can earn 200k, you will give me the money. No, if you can earn 200k, Are you not going to give me just 10K for plane ticket or maybe for some expense? Are you going to give me 10K, brother? If you can able to earn 200K, please. 189 likes, 589 subscriber. So both of them are same. Let's see if I can at least close by 590 subscriber and 190 likes. If I can complete my session by 90 at least. 190 likes, 590 subscriber. Someone has taken membership. Thank you, brother. Welcome. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Just give me the penguin, brother. Thank you for the membership. By the way, all the member, okay, just don't forget to join 1:30 p.m. New York session, New York PM session live. Okay, it's gonna be the members only live. So if you are my member, try to join over there. Okay, 1:30 p.m. today. Try to join over there. It's not gonna be a longer stream, maybe half an hour or maximum 1 hour live. Okay, I talk too much, I know that, but it's not going to be a huge or long stream. It's gonna be very small stream, but try to join over there. So 1 minute left before the lunch hour. Let's see if it can expand until this order block or not. If it can do that, I mean around the lunch hour, if it can expand until that area, I will be very happy to look for buy again until this entry fair look up. Okay, around the what's that, PM session. I'm going to fly him business class to Australia. Hey, thanks, Outlander. But there's no building a big army of winning traders. Let's go, brother. Let's go. He doesn't want money. Yeah, man, I didn't ask for money. Okay, I just asked for the plane ticket. You know the cost of plane ticket. That's all. Okay, I got another member. Welcome, member, brother. Just don't forget to give me the penguin. Just don't forget to give me the penguin. This is the order block. This is the last travel from 1 week chat. Let's see if it can go over there. And no entry is valid right now because this is the lunch hour. Around lunch hour, no entry is valid. Okay. So the rules, if you don't follow the rules, some of you will think that this is a perfect sell setup. As it was very near to the lunch hour, if you have taken that sell, that means you are a gambler. Don't gamble. Don't gamble. This sell is not valid. Why it's not valid, brother? That was a perfect market structure shift after taking the buy side liquidity, then fair value gap. Why it's not valid? Because your higher time frame is not supporting you. That's why you are gambling over here. What is gambling? Gambling is you are thinking that market can fall. That's why you are trying to catch that run. If it works, perfect. If it doesn't work, okay, I got a stop or something like that. That is called gambling. Don't gamble. When something is not obvious, don't gamble over there. The sale over there was not perfect. The sale over there was not perfect. The sale over here was not perfect. Don't gamble. Whoever took the sale around that area, he was gambling. Don't gamble. My request to all of you, brother, please don't gamble. This is the weekly low. This line is too important, too much important. This line, remember, this line is too much important. It's too much important. Okay. Thank you guys for joining, and thank you for that penguin, brother. G, Murad G. Thank you, brother, for that penguin. Thank you, Ryan, for penguin, man. So, guys, thanks for being with me for today's live. Thank you so much for giving me the likes. I can see 190 likes. Thank you so much. So, until the Sunday weekly analysis, cheers, guys. Okay. Oh, by the way, before leaving this stream, just don't forget to comment. I mean, not here to the stream. Okay, just comment me if you want to see any specific kind of video that I would love to. You want to make me a video about that topics. So not here. If you type it over there, I will never see it. Okay, when this stream will be closed, then in the comment box, comment if you want some specific video so that I can make that video. If I know that, then I will make that video. I will try to make that video. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for joining today's live. And until the next video, cheers.